What's up, guys? So, an episode of Tuned Engines, and on today's episode we're gonna be freaking decorating the 1962 C10 for Christmas. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Walmart and buy a bunch of freaking lights, spend millions of dollars buying lights, and get this truck ready for Christmas and also ready for the holidays. So let's go to freaking Walmart. On our way to Walmart right now, and I should also point out that I tried looking for examples of like something to draw inspiration from for decorating the truck, and I could not find any. But we're just gonna go ahead and wing it and see how it looks. But I have an idea of what I'm gonna do, so hopefully it comes out good. But yeah, we're almost getting to Walmart. I guess this is what we have right now. Unfortunately, they do not have everything we need, so we're gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot to get more stuff. All right, guys, so we're done buying stuff at Walmart. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot because unfortunately they did not have all the stuff we needed here at Walmart. But this is all the stuff we bought. You can see it's freaking a lot of stuff. So but we still have to go get a little bit more stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot. Hopefully they have this thing we're looking for. So let's go to Home Depot. Alright, guys, another thing we went ahead and bought was this decorative windmill. As you can see, we have it up. We already like built it. The only thing is that we don't have it running right now or spinning because like we have to put grease in there, and I do not have my grease gun right now, but I'm gonna get one in a little bit. And after that, but basically like we have it there for show, and now we're gonna go ahead and freaking start putting lights on this freaking truck. Alright, guys, as you can see, we have everything here. We're gonna go ahead and put on the truck, and also some other stuff that one of my friends is gonna bring over in a little bit. So the only thing we have to do modification wise to the truck is install one of these. It's technically your 12-volt cigarette outlet, because like this freaking Grinch that requires a cigarette lighter to be able to turn on. So, and like this truck does not have one, so we're gonna have to go ahead and install one right now. So let's go ahead and do that first before we go putting on all the lights. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and connect our 12-volt system for the cigarette lighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect this straight to the battery, so whenever the truck is not on, it's still running and operating the Grinch, because that's our theme, the Grinch stole Christmas. But basically we're gonna go ahead and connect it straight to the battery, but let me go ahead and connect the power cable first. So I'm gonna do is run this heat shrink through, get my strippers, take it away. Then do like the little loop like that. This isn't my best, but it's better than nothing. Put this on like this. Then guys, you can go ahead and get your lighter. Alright, guys, so as you can see, that ain't going nowhere. So now we can go ahead and start connecting our ground. Let's go check. Alright, guys, as you can see, it's freaking turning on, so it works. We're gonna leave it like this, probably clean up a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and leave it like this and put some terminals on the battery. So let's make sure. Actually, this might be too small. I think we're gonna have to get another. Let's see. Alright, guys, as you can see, it freaking works. Now we can go ahead and start decorating the whole truck with lights. Alright, guys, so this is what we have done so far. As you can see, we're putting a bunch of lights. I think we're pretty much done. We're probably gonna see if we can put a little bit more lights on it, but I think that should be enough. I'm not sure if you can see them that well through like the camera, but yeah. So basically we're gonna wait till nighttime and turn them on, see how this freaking truck looks all decorated for Christmas. Oh, and we're also gonna go ahead and put a tree in the back as well. Alright guys, so right now it's the nighttime. Sorry about all the dogs barking, it's because like we're out here and like they always bark. But anyway, so it's the nighttime. We got the whole truck completed, so now we're gonna go ahead and see it for the very first time. But as always guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if y'all like it and if y'all like how the truck came out. So let's go ahead and see it. Alright guys, so this is our freaking, oh shit. Y'all can see it came out super freaking cool. We got the freaking tree in the back. We got all these lights right here. We got the Grinch, because like our theme was like the Grinch stole Christmas. So yeah, that's how it came out, really cool. Then we got a 360 walk around. And we also have the windmill right here. I'm going to see, y'all can see it right there. Alright guys, well hopefully y'all enjoy the video. As you can see, the freaking truck looks super duper cool. But yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoy it. Y'all like how like the lights came out. I think they came out pretty cool. I like how the Grinch, and in case y'all didn't know, like our theme was like the Grinch stole Christmas. That's why we were gonna put tree. We were gonna put some what's it called, Christmas presents, but like they ran out. But I think like the tree looks better, matches the green truck. But yeah guys, as always, I hope you enjoy the video, and make sure to like subscribe, and share this video so y'all can support this channel so I can do cool stuff like this. But as always guys, I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving, and also stay tuned for the go-kart build, the white truck build, and so many more projects we're gonna go ahead and do. We have videos lined up for y'all. But yeah guys, so I'll see you all next time.